I'll explain on my screen also. I'll explain here also, both the places. As you can see my screen as well as my data, my screen. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. It's not getting. Yeah. It's going to be yes. Now I got it. Let me spotlight myself. अच्छा spotlight नहीं लग सकता. Let it be. Okay. I hope half of my screen is coming and half of this screen. Okay, dash is the equal distribution of data. Tell me what will be the correct answer for this.
Ma'am, division.
Ma'am,
Huh?
division.
Division is the division is the equal distribution of data. Everyone knows when we divide something equally, it is known as. Next is fractions with the same denominators are called dash fractions. जिसके denominator same होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Like fractions.
They are known as like fractions.
Like fractions.
Very good, like fractions. The basic unit of length is
Meter.
meters. क्योंकि we use the meter, hectometer, kilometer. So length के लिए we use always the meters. 1 meter has dash centimeter. How many centimeter
100.
has?
Ma'am,
See,
100.
as you can see on my board, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. I told you earlier also. So 1 meter has 100 centimeter. So the correct answer will be option B. Okay, the upper part of the fraction is called upper part क्या कहलाता है?
Numerator.
What is it known as? Numerator.
Ma'am, numerator.
Very nice. It is numerator. Dash is the number being divided. Acha, most of you are having the confusion here. So look at my board, everyone. Look at my board, everyone. See, this is the most confusion. Most of you are facing confusion over here. Dash is the number being divided. Divide कौन सा number हो रहा है इसमें? I told you when we say dividend is the inside number. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. And this is the quotient. And whatever you will get here, it will be the remainder. ये क्या होगा? Remainder. Dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder will be there. So what is getting divided? Divide कौन हो रहा है यहाँ पर? What is, as I told you, a driver is someone who drives a car. So a divisor is someone who divides. So divisor तो इसका आंसर नहीं होगा. So who is getting divided here?
Ma'am, division.
Dividend is getting divided here. Most of the students have done wrong here. So the correct answer is dividend. Okay, 7, 8, 9 divided by, we divide any number. When we divide any number by 1, we always get the
Number itself.
number itself. So 7, 8, 9 को अगर आप 1 से divide करेंगे, you will get 7, 8, 9 only.
7, 8, 9.
Yes, very nice. A shape is divided into 3 equal parts. Now see here this one. This one is also quite confusing here. A shape is divided into 3 equal parts. So a shape is there. Any shape, let's take our rectangular shape. And it is divided into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. And each part is called. So this part will be called as what? इस part को क्या बोलोगे आप? ये fraction कितना होगा? First of all, tell me what is the fraction of this one?
Ma'am, 3/1.
No. No. Beta, out of total 3, it is 1. It is 1 upon 3. And what we say 1 upon 3 as? 1 upon 3 को क्या बोलोगे?
1/3.
No. No, beta. Yesterday also I told you. The first numerator is written in the same way and the denominator is written in the form of Roman numbers. It should be 1/3. It is 1/3. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
It is 1/3. 1 upon 3. And 1 upon 3 is known as 1/3. ये numerator जैसा होता है वैसे ही लिखते हैं and denominator is written in the form of Roman numbers. Okay, if denominator is 25 and numerator is 14, अगर आपने इसका 14 upon 25 upon 14 किया है, you are completely wrong. Denominator is the down one and numerator is the upper one. Numerator ऊपर वाला होता है, तो 14 will up and 25 will be down. So option B is the correct answer. not option A. Okay, got
Okay.
it? The given
Yes,
fraction
ma'am.
is also called 5 by 9, 9 by 5. Acha, mujhse Pratyaksh is here or not? Let me see.
Ma'am,
Pratyaksh, beta, you told me that this answer is 5 by 9 and you are saying it is correct. How come it is correct?
Dear teachers, it is according to principal sir and not according to me. Just like to mention.
Huh, beta? Tell me.
Ma'am, 5
Pratyaksh,
by 9.
5 by 9. No, I told you it is
Ma'am,
not
5 by
written.
9.
Although we speak it as this, we speak it as like this, but I told you the numerator. See everyone, look here very carefully. See 5 upon 9, if it is given to you, numerator is written in the form as it is. Suppose the numerator is 5, so we will write here 5 only. And the denominator is 9, so it will be written as ninth.
9.
NINTHS. ये मैंने कल भी आपको एक वो दिया था, उसमें भी कराया था ये क्वेश्चन, है ना? रिवीजन में दे कराया
Yes,
था ना?
ma'am.
5 9.
Yes,
So what is the correct answer? 5 9. Don't say 5 by 9 is the correct answer.
ma'am, I have done
Understood?
this one.
Yes, but some of them has done 5 by 9 and they are saying, ma'am, it is correct. I don't know how is it correct. Okay, let's proceed next. Okay, solve and choose the correct option. Beta, see, there are two sides, 4 multiplied by 5 and 80 divided by 4. Since we know multiply also and we know division also. So 4 5s is what? What is 4 5s? 4
20.
5s is
20.
20. Okay. And 80 divided by 4. So let us divide in rough. 80 को 4 से divide करते हैं. Sorry, 2 से. 2 4s are, sorry, 80 divided by 4 is there. Sorry. 80 divided by 4 is there. So we will write 4 here. 4 2s are 8 minus
8.
0. Then you will copy the 0. 4 zeros are 0 will be the remainder. So what is the here? What will come? 20. So 20 and 20, what are they? Greater
Equal.
concept. They are equal. They both are equal.
Equal.
So what sign will come here? It will come an equal to sign here. That is the last one. Okay, greater than, lesser than, and smaller than. Then 56 को किससे डिवाइड करें कि आंसर 8 आ जाए? So tell 8 की टेबल में 56 कब आता है? Read.
Ma'am, 7s are.
7
Ma'am,
so
7
7 will be the answer. Acha, this one is you might be facing the problem. Change 9009 meters into centimeter. Okay, we have to change 9009 centimeter to meters. इसको meters में convert करना है. We have to convert this to meters. All of us know that 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. है ना? 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. So how we will do it? 9009 centimeter को we will break 2 digits. Last के 2 digits हम break कर देंगे. So it will be 9000 centimeter. Centimeters तो आना है 9000 centimeter plus 09 centimeter. बेटा देखो जब 9000 see 900 centimeter होता तो 9 आंसर आता है ना, बट यहाँ पर 900 नहीं है. 9 see 100 centimeters goes to 100 meter 1 meter, 200 centimeters goes to 2 meter, 300 centimeters goes to 3 meter, 400 centimeters goes to 4 meters. But here it is giving not 900 centimeter होगा बेटा 9 meter के इक्वल. 900 centimeter 9 meter के इक्वल होगा. It is not 900. There is one extra zero here. So it will be equal to 90 meters and 09 centimeters. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshita, now you got it. It is not 900 meters. It is 9000 centimeters. It is not 900 centimeter. It is 9000. That means one zero extra is there. That will become 90 meter and 9 centimeter. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now next one is also a little bit different. Choose the greatest fraction. I told you yesterday itself. जब न्यूमरेटर्स सेम होते हैं, जब डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम, तो स्मॉलेस्ट स्मॉलेस्ट होता है और बिगेस्ट बिगेस्ट होता है. यहाँ पे क्या सेम है, डिनोमिनेटर या न्यूमरेटर?
Ma'am, denominators.
डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम, तो बड़ा वाला बड़ा होगा, छोटा वाला छोटा होगा. सो विच इज द बिगर
Yes.
हियर, बिगेस्ट हियर, विच इज द ग्रेटेस्ट वन? 3
Ma'am,
5
10 upon
1 10. 3 5, do not see the numerator, डिनोमिनेटर नहीं देखो, आप सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर देखो. 3 5 1 10, कौन बड़ा है out of 3 5
Ma'am,
1 and 10? 10 is the greatest, so 10 will be the answer. Change 8 kilometer 56 meters to meters. See, 8 kilometers, you have to change 8 kilometer 56 meters to meters. See, 8 kilometer is equals to 8,000 meters, because 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meters. 1 kilometer has 1,000 meter. So 8 kilometer will have 8,000 centimeter plus 56 meters. Then you add it, you will get 8056 centimeters. When you add it, you will get 8056 centimeters. Understood? So what is
Yes,
the correct
ma'am.
option here?
Ma'am, option B.
Option B is the correct one. Choose the correct sign in the box. Again, अब if you see here, numerator same है या denominator same है? क्या same है?
Ma'am,
What is it?
numerator.
अब numerator same होता है तो उल्टा होता है. Bigger one becomes the smaller, smaller ones becomes the bigger. Hide the numerators. और 10 और 12 में देखो कौन बड़ा है कौन छोटा है. Which is greater and which is
10
smaller?
is bigger.
Ma'am,
10 is
10
बेटा
is
12, वैसे तो 12 is bigger, but the fraction जो होगा, अब 12 बड़ा है तो 12 छोटा हो जाएगा. So this is the correct sign. 10 वाली side bigger आएगी. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
Now choose the correct quotient and remainder for 2 5 6 7. Yesterday only I told you about this one. And Pratyaksh, look here carefully. 2 what is the question? 2 5 6 7. 2 5 6 7 divided by 10. So no need to calculate it. No need to calculate it. How many zeros are here? 1 zero is there. So 1 का जो last number है, this will be the remainder. This will be the remainder. और बचा हुआ आपका क्या हो जाएगा? Quotient. 256 is the quotient. And remainder is 7. So which is the correct option?
Ma'am, option C.
Yes. If anybody is any doubt, अभी भी अगर बेटा आप इसको किसी में को भी doubt हो तो अभी पूछ लेना, okay?
Okay,
If you
ma'am.
face any doubt, please do ask right now. Okay, 6 shirts cost this much. What is the cost of 1 shirt? Ab beta, I told you, whenever we have given many things and we have to calculate for one thing. आपको many shirts की cost दे रखी है. आपको 6 shirt पता है कितने की आती है. आपको 1 की निकालनी है. आपको 6 shirts पता है कितने की आती है. आपको 1 की calculate करनी है. तो क्या करोगे? Divide.
Ma'am, we will multiply.
Divide. Okay, so how will you do it? Cost of, so you will write cost of 6 shirts. वैसे तो आपने इसमें डायरेक्ट करा है, बट स्टेटमेंट्स क्या आएंगे इसकी? कॉस्ट ऑफ 6 shirts. 6 है 8 है? How many shirts are here?
Ma'am, 6 shirts.
6 shirts are here. 6 shirts की कॉस्ट है आपकी 950 है ना? 954 है ना? हाँ. Cost of 1 shirt we have to calculate. So 1 shirt को we will divide. Rupees 954 को we will divide it by 6. So let's divide 954 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. Subtract it, you will get 3 here. Copy this 5 here. 6 5s are 30 here. Subtract it 5 and you will get 0 here. And this 4 will be here. 6 9s are 54. 54. So whatever the quotient will be, the remainder is 0. So quotient is 159 rupees. So answer will be what? Rupees 159. Got it? Choose the correct type of fractions of the following. ये कैसे है? Like fractions है, unlike fractions है या unit fractions है?
Ma'am, unlike fraction.
Since their denominators are different, इनके denominators अलग है ना बेटा? इनके डिनोमिनेटर्स
Yes,
अलग हैं,
ma'am.
इनके डिनोमिनेटर्स आर डिफरेंट, दे आर अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन. The one those who have different denominators are unlike fractions. Subtract 10 kilometer from. Acha, see this one. I told you yesterday only from के बाद वाला हमेशा पहले लिखा जाता है ना. I told you this thing कि from के बाद वाला हमेशा पहले लिखा जाता है. So from के बाद it is what? From के बाद it is 18 kilometer and 11 meters. There are two columns. One is of kilometer and one is of meter. So 18 kilometer and 111 meters. और इसमें से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? 10 और 965. 10 और 965. बेटा आप ना मिस्टेक ये नहीं करना है, 965 ऊपर नहीं लिखना है. 10 के साथ है 965, तो 10 के साथ सामने ही लिखोगे 965. 18 के साथ है 111, तो 18 के साथ ही लिखोगे आप 111. Understood? Somebody is saying something. Somebody was asking something. कोई कुछ पूछ रहा था अभी. Somebody is asking something. Ma'am, I got the voice. Somebody wants to ask something. Okay, now let's subtract it. If you want to ask, beta, you can ask. Okay, 11 minus 1 minus 5 is not possible. It will become 11. This will become 0 here. 11 minus 5 is 6. 0 में से 6 minus करना is not possible. So it will take 1 from this. 10 minus 6 is 4. This is 0 here again. We cannot subtract 0 from here. We'll take 1 from here. 10 minus 9 is 1. 7 minus 0 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So answer will be 7 kilometer 116 meters. 7 kilometer 116 meters. Arey, it's not there. Have I done something wrong? मैंने कहीं मिस्टेक
Yes,
कर
ma'am.
दी है. क्या मिस्टेक की है?
Yes, ma'am. 146 meters.
नहीं है, ठीक तो है.
146.
ठीक है. B part है. B answer is there. B is there. Sorry. B answer is correct. 7 kilometer 146 meters. Okay. Oh, I have not written 116 लिख दिया मैंने. Okay, sorry. It's 146. बेटा, if you face any problem anywhere, please ask me. Okay. अब देखो 290 सेंटीमीटर को मिलीमीटर में चेंज करना है. See, 290 centimeter को we have to change it into millimeter. Beta, see, 1 centimeter में there are 10 millimeters. So here we will, centimeter is big, millimeter is small. So here we have to do the multiply, not divide. So 290 centimeter is equals to 290 multiplied by 10 millimeters. So answer will be 2900 millimeters. Okay, so answer will be 2900 millimeters. Find 1 upon 5 of 35. 1 upon 5 of 35. See here, 5 की टेबल में 35 कब आता है? 5 की टेबल में 35 कब आता है?
Ma'am, 7.
5 7
Ma'am,
7.
7.
So 7 will be the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me. Okay, 13. Tina has 1770 stickers. Suppose you are Tina and you are having this much stickers. She gives away the stickers to 8 of her friends. अब उसने वो stickers 8 friends में distribute कर दिया, वो सारे के सारे stickers. How many stickers will each friend will get? How many stickers were left? अब आपको बताना है, उसके पास जितने stickers थे उसने 8 friends में divide कर दिया. अब आपको बताना है कि आप उस equally divide करें उसने. You have to find out how much stickers will each friend get. एक friend को कितने मिलेंगे और कितने बच जाएंगे उसके पास. So what you will do here? Tell me. क्या करा जाए? If she has 1770 stickers and she divided equally, that means what she is doing? She divided equally among her 8 friends. What is she doing? What we will do here? क्या करेंगे बेटा यहाँ पर?
Ma'am, we will divide.
We will divide. Very good. We will divide 1770 into 8 equal parts. इतने स्टिकर्स को हम 8 parts में डिवाइड कर देंगे. ठीक है. So first digit, it's not possible. Let's take 2 digits. 8 twos are 16. Subtract it. You will get 1 here. Then 7 will be copied here. 8 twos are 16. Subtract it. 1 here. And then you will copy 0 here. 8 ones are 8. And when you subtract it, you get 2 here. So these much stickers will each friend get, and 2 stickers will be left with her. So 2 to 1 to सब में है. Okay, each will get 2 to 1 and 2 are left. This is the second option. Each one will get 2 to 1 and 25 are left. This is wrong. Each will get 2 and 2 to 1 are left. This is also wrong. Each will get 2 to 1 and nothing is left. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर remainder 0 आता तो nothing is left होता. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here what will be the correct answer?
Ma'am, 221.
And 2 are left. Very good. Okay, choose the option which is correct. Ascending order. बेटा ascending order हमें check करना है इसमें. कौन सा option correct है for ascending order? If we see denominators are same in this one. जब denominators same होते हैं 4, 1, 7, 3, it is not arranged properly as you see. Neither in ascending
ma'am.
nor in descending. तो first तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. Second वाले में देखो. Numerators are same. Numerators are same. But when numerators are same तो बड़ा वाला छोटा हो जाता है, छोटा वाला बड़ा हो जाता है. बट नीचे तो सब असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लगे हैं. नीचे तो सब असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लगे हैं. सो दिस इज आल्सो नॉट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. लेट्स सी द थर्ड ऑप्शन. All are 5, denominators are same and numerators are arranged in the correct ascending order. So when denominators are same, so this is the correct answer. Got it? Okay, now coming to the next question. Which of these two figure shows 2/3 shade? 2/3 shade कौन सा बता रहा है? See what is the first shade showing? First वाला क्या show कर रहा है? What is the show
Ma'am,
first shade? 1/3. First वाला बता रहा है
1/3.
1/3. 1/3. Second one is showing 2/3. And the third one is showing what?
4/3.
3/4 beta. Not 4/3. It's 3/4. So which is correct showing for 2/3? What is the correct one for 2/3? First one, second one, or third
And
one?
B1.
B1.
B.
Yes,
Second
B
one.
part is the correct one. Okay, find the sum of 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4.
Ma'am, 3/4.
1/4. I told you. अच्छा, अगर किसी ने 3/12 करा है, they are wrong. 3/12 if you have written, you are wrong. Why? We don't add the numerators. We don't add the denominators. We add only the numerators. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So answer will be 3/4. If you have ticked 3/4, 3/12, then it is wrong. Correct answer is 3/4. Okay, what is the total length of 4 skipping ropes? Each meter, 3 meter, 24 centimeter long. See, each means 1. One rope ki length is given to you 3 meter and 24 centimeter. Then you have to calculate the length of 4 skipping ropes. ठीक है, 1 की लेंथ पता है और 4 की निकालनी है, तो क्या करोगे? 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे. लेंथ ऑफ 1 rope is 3 meter and 24 centimeter. Make meter and centimeter sign. 3 meter 24 centimeter और इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई. Okay, see now. 4 4s are 16. 1 carry over. 4 2s are 8, 1 9. 4 3s are 12. So 12 meter and 96 centimeter is the correct answer. 12 meter and 96 centimeter. Check कौन सा आंसर है? Second option is the correct option. 12 meter और 96 centimeter है. Subtract 2 meter. Again from वाला question आया है बेटा. From वाला question again is there. तो from के बाद जो है it will always come first. So from के बाद क्या है? Meter और centimeter में this question is given to us. From के बाद it is written 9 के साथ 23 आएगा. And 9 के साथ 23 आएगा. 2 के साथ it will be 56. Now subtract it. 13 minus 6 is 7. Now 11, 1 will be here, 8 will come here. 11 minus 5 is 6 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So 6 meter and 67 centimeter is the correct option. Now find the quotient and remainder of 3264 divided by 5. तो ये पूरा करके देखना पड़ेगा बेटा आपको. 3, 2, 6, 4 को we will divide it by 5. So 5 6 are 30. You will subtract it. You will get here 2. Copy this 6 here. 5 की टेबल में 26 कब आता है? 5 5s are 25 is coming, not 6. 5 5s are 25 is coming. 1 and 4 will come here. 5 2s are 10. Subtracted 4.
10.
So quotient is 652 and remainder is 4. 652 and remainder is 4. This is the correct answer. Okay. To measure the distance from one city to another city, we use the unit. अगर आप one city से दूसरी city जा रहे हो, तो क्या use करोगे? Kilometers, centimeters.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we will use the word.
And we will use
kilometers. Yes, we will use the word kilometers. Very good. Now we have completed it. Okay. So here we have completed the whole one. So this is my submission, and it stopped accepting the answers. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
I will have a short meeting with few teachers. Like I will have 2-3 teachers, one meeting, and then we will discuss about it soon.
Got it, everyone? So let me check what is the view accuracy.